Hello students. I'm going to show you some things we can do with what we call factoring. This sheet is called the product of two binomials with a common term. Okay, a binomial. Well, this would be one term and this would be one term. So 2 would make it a binomial. What this means when I have x plus 5 in parentheses and then another x plus 5 hugging it right up next to one another, it means to multiply those. So I've got to multiply this times this. Okay, well, when I look within my parentheses, there's nothing that I can combine because this x and this 5 are different kind of animals. I can't put them in the same pen together. Neither can I do that with the x and the 4, different kind of animals. I can't add or subtract, unlike terms. But I've got to multiply this term times this term. So the way I'm going to do that, I'm going to use what's called the distributive property. We're going to distribute throughout the parentheses, okay? I'm going to start by just hopping over. You may have heard this term FOIL, F-O-I-L. First, outer, inner, last. So we'll start with hopping over the first. I'm going to say x times this x times x. Well, x times x is going to give us x squared. Just like 2 times 2 is 2 squared. 3 times 3 is 3 squared. 4 times 4 is 4 squared. X times x is x squared. Alright, now we're going to multiply this x times the second part over here in the parentheses. So x times 4 is going to give us 4x. Standard procedure is to put your whole number before your unknown. Okay, so we've got our hop over. Now let's crawl under. I'm going to take this 5 right here and multiply the 5 times each of those. So 5 times x is 5x, and 5 times 4 is 20. Okay, so now I have some like terms in this expression. I have 4x here and I have 5x here, so let's circle those and circle the signs with them. If I have 4x and I put 5x more in there, how many total of those x critters do I have? I have 9x. Bring down my x squared. Bring down my plus 20. And here, this and this equal this. They are the same amounts. A different way of representing those same amounts. We can go back and forth between these. I can take this and turn it into this. And I will show you all how to do that later. Okay, let's go ahead and I'll go ahead and go all the way down row A, and then I will let you all do row B. Okay, let's hop over. X times x is x squared. X times 3 is 3x. Crawl under. 1 times x is plus 1x. 1 times 3 is plus 3. All right, now we're ready to combine our like terms. Plus 3x and plus 1x gives us a total of plus 4x. Bring down my x squared and my plus 3, and there I have. This is equal to this. All right. Hop over. X times x is x squared. X times 2 is plus 2x. Crawl under. 7 times x is plus 7x. 7 times 2 is plus 14. Combine our like terms. Always like to circle them. Oops, my pencil lead just broke. That's okay, I'll use this pen. X squared, 2x plus 7x give us a total of plus 9x plus 14. And we're through with that. Moving on. Hop over. X times x is x squared. X times 1 is 1x. Crawl under. 10 times x is plus 10x. 10 times 1 is plus 10. Combine our like terms. Plus 1x plus 10x give us a total of plus 11x. And there we have our completed answer. Hop over. X times x is x squared. X times negative 1, let that sign stick to that 1. Positive times a negative is a negative 1x. Crawl under. 4 times x is plus 4x. 4 times negative 1, positive times a negative, negative 4. Combine our like terms. Negative 1x, positive 4x. Okay, if I'm at negative 1 on my number line, let's see, let me get a sheet of paper and show you all this. Whoa, yeah. Here's my number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. Okay, so I have a negative 1. That means I'm right here on my number line. I'm going to add 4. If I'm adding, I go to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where does that put me? At positive 3. So when I add, I'm going to find the difference, keep the sign of the larger number. So plus 3 x squared plus 3x minus 4. Okay, let me show you how to put this in your calculator. Okay, turn it on and clear our memory. Okay, I have negative 1x, negative 1 plus 4, enter. And it gives me my answer right there. 3. Just need to put my x behind it, right? Okay, let's do another one. hop over, x times x is x squared. Hop over, x times negative 2 is negative 2x. Crawl under, 8 times x is 8x. 8 times negative 2 is negative 16. Circle my like terms. Negative 2x, positive 8x. Okay, rule for adding unlike signs. Negative 2 plus 8. Find the difference. The difference in 8 and 2 is 6. The larger number is positive, so that gives me a positive 6x. We can put it in our calculator. We can put negative 2 plus 8, enter. There's our 6. Just put an X behind it. Don't forget to do that. X times x is x squared. X times 2 is 2x. Crawl under. Negative 7 times x is negative 7x. Negative 7 times 2 is negative 14. Combine our like terms. 2x, negative 7x. The difference in 2 and 7 is 5. The larger number is negative, so my answer will be negative 5x. Let's put it in the calculator. 2 minus 7. Enter. There's our negative 5. Hop over, x squared. Hop over, negative 1x. Crawl under, negative 5x. Crawl under, plus 5, because a negative times a negative is a positive. 2 wrongs make a right when I multiply or divide. Combine our like terms. I have a negative 1x and I have a negative 5x. Go give me a whole lot of negative x's. Negative 6x. Okay, let's put this in the calculator. Negative 1 minus 5, enter, negative 6. Okay, last one. X times x is x squared. X times negative 5 is negative 5x. Crawl under. Negative 4 times x is negative 4x. Negative 4 times negative 5 is plus 20. Combine our like terms. Negative 5x and a negative 4x. I'm going to have a whole lot of negative x's. Negative 9x. Okay, let's put it in the calculator. Negative 5 minus 4, negative 9. Okay, you all give this next row a try, work all of these along with me, and then give these a go and see how you do on your own with working these. These are pretty important skills to be able to do, and You'll be seeing them again for sure. So give it a try. This up here may confuse you a little bit. Just follow these steps. Use your calculators and see how you do on this row, and I will be back with you next time. Have fun.